nowhere, literally. Sun's there, so I'm going to be down a bit. I'm literally just in the middle of nowhere. I'm just vlogging, so yeah. No idea, is it? So yeah, let me know what I'm doing down here. I just thought I'd take a hike and just see where it leads to. And it turns out it leads to nowhere, so I just thought I guess I'm back now. So yeah, I'm taking it already. Basically, my Instagram's been hacked. Well, not the one I'm using at the moment, the one that I used to have, like last week or something. But I don't know how, but I woke up one morning, I think it was on the Monday, on the Thursday, it was on the Thursday morning. I woke up, had like half an hour to spare, and then, you know, Charlie just sent me on Facebook, saying, check your Instagram, so I did, and then turns out, apparently, I mean, James says like he didn't really do much to my account. All I did was just change my profile picture and just change my bio. So that's all it's done. So I got my account private as well, so that's good. But yeah, James, since he already followed me, said no, he hasn't changed the picture or anything. But yeah, that's how that went. He's going to get pissed off. I'm not really that pissed off because A, I don't use Instagram as much. And two, I didn't really post that many pictures on, so it's kind of like my Instagram kind of useless. But I made another one. So, well, no, I didn't actually make one afterwards. I actually made one before. Yeah, I kind of had backup really, so I'm fine with it. So yeah, I'm literally just walking like nowhere. I don't know where I'm going. We'll see if anything happens or any aliens or whatever. Yeah, my Instagram was hacked, so yeah, I just thought, fuck it, do what the fuck you want, mate. I don't care about my pictures. So yeah, I want to say thanks to Charlie for telling me about it. Yeah. Again, you know, he's supposed to get pissed off about it, but I'm like, well, I mean, you changed my profile picture to someone, I'm guessing, it's definitely not what it is, but it's like some prostitute on a dude's dick. And I was like, well, you can tell that's not his dick. So, yeah. I think I just owned a hacker. I don't have the balls to do it. I definitely don't. I just did it. But yeah, the sun keeps coming out every now and again, so brightness kind of changes. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, I think my side of my back is scared. But yeah, that's we're in Haunted Forest, gone wrong. I almost killed myself. No clipping. I don't know what to put the title. I'm not sure whether to put like Instagram's been hacked or just a vlog. So yeah, I think I have a bit of fun here. I think that's all I can talk about really. So yeah. Bye.